everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Beverly here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you guys want to see how I created the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to see more, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you guys never miss out on a video. So the palette that I went in with is the So Very Lovely palette from Colourpop. It's a newer palette from them and I've used it a few times and I really liked it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. We have some pastel shades, some shimmers, and some mattes. So the first thing that I did is I went in with the shade Eyelit, which is this really beautiful matte baby pink shade, and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions with a big fluffy blending brush. Next I went into the shade Dreamcatcher with a defined angled brush, and I just started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease. And it does look kind of harsh, but we will blend it out with that same transition shade that we originally used in the crease. And then going back into that first shade and that same fluffy blending brush, I just went directly over that line, just really going in circular motions and back and forth motions to make sure that it is nice and blended. And then I went in with the Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter in the shade Love Language. And even though these are intended to be used on the body, I like to use these on my eyes, just because you don't have to use a glitter glue. You just go straight in with your brush and it naturally adheres to the eye. And the lashes that I used are discontinued, unfortunately. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I just used that first shade that we put in our crease. And I decided to keep it super light and natural. So that's all I did on the lower lash line, and I just added some mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you guys never ever miss out on a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! By winter or spring or fall, we felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things.